The pending listings in Mira Mesa are more than double the active inventory. Hang out with me till the end and I will tell you all about it. Today is February 14th, 2024, and this is a Mira Mesa 92126 market update. If you're new to this channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our updates. Let's jump right into it. Looking at Mira Mesa here, there are currently 12 active listings, and that is not a lot for a zip code of this size. Looking at the northeast corner here, almost nothing on the market. In fact, just a couple of condos over here. And then this northwest corner, same thing, very little on the market. And the market times on the actives are overall quite low. However, when you flip over to the pending, you do see that there is some activity going on in the northeast corner, in the northwest corner, and all over Mira Mesa. It's just that when these listings are priced anywhere close to right, they sell very, very quickly. Look at the market times on these pendings. 19 days is the longest market time on any of these pendings. So we are well under 3 weeks on all of these properties going pending. So it is a feeding frenzy, and this is good news for sellers, and it means that buyers are having to compete more for each and every active property. So that is not great news for buyers. However, if you have a great agent who is well connected in the community, someone like myself, you can have much better success when you're out there shopping. So then, looking at what has sold in the last 30 days, again, look at these market times. There's a couple that are sort of outliers, but by and large, you have from 0 to 30 days or less on these solds. And if you recall, last time we did Mira Mesa, there were very few sold in the last 30 days, and that is because there were not very many pendings in December and early January, but the market has just come alive. So let's take a look at the longer term trends here. When we look at the InfoSparks chart, it goes back to January of 2021, and you can see that Mira Mesa is very much a median price zip code, or at least it has been historically, very, very closely mirroring the median price in San Diego County for detached homes. Mira Mesa was at $740 back in January of 2021, and it raced uphill like everything else, March, April of 2022 to $1,045,000, and then up to $1,050,000 in July of 2022, which is interesting because the county as a whole was going down in July of 2022 due to the spike in interest rates that occurred in the summer of 2022. And then right back up the hill, Mira Mesa's been doing a little zigzagging, not a lot of data points, which is why that line is probably a little more jagged than the San Diego County line. And look what has happened the past 2 months. So in November of 2023, last November, the median price in Mira Mesa was almost identical to the median price in San Diego County. Then in December, it jumped up. And then in January, it jumped up again. And we'll see what happens next month. I believe that at least in the short term, the median price in Mira Mesa is going to exceed and maybe even start to run away a bit from the median price in San Diego County. We will see. Mira Mesa is a well-established area, although more and more high-tech and biotech employees are moving to San Diego all the time, and this area is very close to a lot of those defense, a lot of those biotech, and a lot of those high-tech jobs. And the entry-level folks are going to land in Mira Mesa because this is the I-15 corridor, North City, whatever you want to call it. It is the entry-level neighborhood for San Diego North. We'll call it San Diego North. So we will see what happens next month. However, with the demand that I'm seeing now and just the level of activity pending relative to active, I do expect this median price to be forced up yet again in February. So that's what's happening in Mira Mesa right now. If you like this content, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. We will be back later this week with more great real estate information for you, and stay tuned for more entertaining videos in general. We love sharing stuff with you, and we hope you're enjoying it too. So happy Valentine's Day. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.